It's here. It's finally here, the long-awaited Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is what Samsung call Ultra, and this is what Xiaomi calls Ultra. Their brand new flagship Ultra model is maxing out all the camera hardware specs that you can find in 2025. So I have spent about 24 hours with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Let's take a look at what this has to offer and also my initial impressions. As always, let's begin with the unboxing. So out of the box, we have some accessories to look at, starting with the main hard shell case, which is actually a higher quality case compared to what you usually get. We also have a USB-C to C charging cable. And finally, we have the star of the show, which is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, looking incredible. Right from the first look, you can see how it pretty much looks like a professional camera with this dual tone finish. It's like a Leica camera design. Honestly, I really do love the look of this phone. And yes, this is unapologetically an ultra camera phone, so it has that big camera bump, having multiple sensors inside, giving you pretty much the most versatility you'll find on any smartphone camera on the market right now. Of course, we'll be taking a look at the camera in detail with both videos and photos. Spoiler alert, I have to say, this is looking pretty beastly. If you look at the design, it might look heavy, but it's not. It's actually pretty lightweight, coming at 226 grams. Now, my unit is in the silver chrome color. It also comes with black and white option. I would say this is definitely the best color for the 15 Ultra. But of course, this is again an Ultra phone, so apart from the camera, other specs are also pretty maxed out. Let's start with the display. So we have a 6.73-inch screen, which is having a 3200 nits ultra brightness. It's right up there at the Ultra flagship level. It's using Xiaomi's Shield Glass 2.0 for the ultimate protection. It's also got an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner along with a pretty high PWM dimming number, which means it's going to be flicker free and easier on your eyes. On the inside, we have the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip running the show. This is obviously going to give this phone the best performance as we have seen on the market. It's not just that, it's a super efficient chip, and combined with Xiaomi's 5400 mAh battery, this phone is gonna be a beast when it comes to daily battery performance. As for its charging, it supports 90-watt fast charging along with 50-watt wireless charging. It's also running Xiaomi's latest software on board, so that means we have the Xiaomi HyperOS 2 based on Android 15. With the time that I have spent on this phone, it is extremely smooth. Like literally, I haven't seen any lag whatsoever. It just flies through everything with really good animations. Now, as expected, it is coming with Xiaomi AI features called as Xiaomi Hyper AI. So this includes a lot of AI writing features, AI interpreters, subtitles, and my favorite, the image related AI features. For example, the AI Eraser Pro, AI image expansion, and the AI image enhancement. There's just a lot of AI stuff on board, of course, powered by Google Gemini AI. Just like with any modern ultra flagship phone, it is pretty much packing everything you need software-wise and AI-wise in 2025. Now let's turn our attention to those cameras on the back, because it is packing quite a bit of camera hardware. Starting with the ultra wide, it's got a 50 megapixel Leica ultra wide angle camera. Then comes the Leica main 50 megapixel camera, followed by a 50 megapixel Leica zoom sensor, and then finally a Leica periscope 200 megapixel sensor. We even have a 32 megapixel front camera sensor, which actually shoots pretty solid 4K 60 FPS video. Okay, let's start off with a quick video test of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It's having a brand new microphone, 4X's, so I also want to try that out. So let me know in the comment section below how the audio is looking. And we're gonna try to zoom. That is the almost 5x optical zoom. Goes up to 10x and then goes all the way up to 30x. Now, in my first impression, I have to say the images have extremely good detail. Like, this is one of those phones that kind of bridge that gap between a professional camera and a smartphone camera. You can go from 1x to 3x and then to 5x, then jump to 10x, and from there you can go to 30x, 60x, and all the way up to 120x. And surprisingly, even the 120x shots are looking usable, something that we couldn't say about smartphones a couple of years ago. We also have massive portrait mode options as well, taking some incredible portrait mode shots, which is honestly, it's doing such a good job with the portrait background blur that hard to tell a difference between these images compared to a professional camera. Like most people wouldn't be able to tell the difference thanks to this incredible result that we're getting. Let me know if you guys want to see a detailed camera test on the channel, perhaps against the S25 Ultra. Now taking a look at the video performance, the video zoom is also looking incredibly good, going up to 30x. And honestly, at 30x level, using a smartphone sensor, I'm really surprised at how well it's performing and managing those details, because 30x 4K 60 FPS zoom is perhaps the longest I've tried out on the video mode on modern flagships at the moment. It also switches those lenses pretty smoothly, which is really good when you're shooting the video. The camera UI is also packed with a ton of features, including a proper pro video and photo mode. You can also fully take advantage of that main camera sensor at the absolute highest resolution, so quite a lot of detail, as well as the night video performance is keeping that good quality even when the light is low, all because of these massive sensors. All in all, I have to say Xiaomi 15 Ultra is truly an ultra level phone. It's a completely different definition of ultra. It's quite possibly the best ultra camera hardware on a phone right now. Again, I'll be doing a detailed testing soon on the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Xiaomi 15 Ultra is definitely looking like one of the most craziest flagship phones of the year. Once again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. You can find the pricing info in the comment section below once it's confirmed, so we can have a discussion there. But there we go. That's it for this video. Once again, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.